Hi everyone, this is Amy from EMA Dental and Refresh's Teeth Whitening Specialist. I'm here today to do a review on the Colgate Optic White at-home system for whitening. So while I really believe in the in-office whitening system, it's always nice to have different things in the office for other people to enjoy at home. Not everyone has the time to come in and do their teeth whitening at the office. Sometimes it's more convenient to have something at home that you can use instead of coming into the office. So this is the box here. We're going to go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Directions here, and you can see this is a very nice presentation on the inside. So first of all, when I open a new product, I just like to go ahead and read the directions and see what we're doing here. So basically this take-home contents package comes with one mouthpiece. It's something that you wear in here. You load the gel on the inside. This is new Ionic technology. So this will emit sort of like a low frequency pulse. It's carefully calculated. It helps to activate the gel without heat and without light. So that's a new, kind of a new technology that has just come out this year, which is why I was kind of excited to try this and see how it goes. So in the package we have 20 whitening vials of gel. This will give you 10 days of consistent whitening use. The directions are telling us to load each side of the mouthpiece with one vial of gel. Now I'm thinking that that's a little much because those vials look rather large. So for someone like myself, I'd probably start off a little more conservatively. Just use one vial, split it in half. This is a pretty deep mouthpiece, so I could see that one vial would be okay. I'm just worried about the gel sitting on the tissue and causing me sensitivity in that way because I can get a little sensitive. It's typically when the gel comes in contact with your tissue and causes your teeth to become sensitive. So we're going to go ahead and load this baby up and see how it goes. It does say on the directions that after you load the vials into the mouthpiece, you're going to turn it on with this one button here that'll activate that Ionic technology, and then you're going to wear it about a half hour, and when we're done we'll go from there and I'll tell you how to clean it and take care of it. So we're going to go ahead and load this up. This is a very large vial of gel. I'm going to go ahead and be conservative and use one vial. How this looks going in here. So I like that, and I used about half on this one side and I'm going to use the other half on this side. Alright, we're going to turn this on. You'll see that little mouthpiece turn green, and then you're going to insert it in, and I won't be able to talk for a half hour. Okay, so the half hour is up, and as per the directions, it was kind of messy when it was coming out, and that's not unusual. Even if you have a regular take-home system, that when they come out, you have kind of a mess in there, which is why a lot of people prefer the in-office whitening. It's very controlled and it's not very messy at all. And the technician will suction everything out of your mouth and make it very easy for you. But with this, so I had a big mouthful, I went ahead and spit everything out into the sink. I took my toothbrush with just plain water and brushed it all around and got all that gel out of my mouth and off of my tongue and off of my teeth. And per the directions here, I just kept this under a light stream of water, and I kind of wiped my finger in here and got all of that gel out of there. For those of you who don't know, if you don't clean this mouthpiece, that whitening gel can kind of get hard in there, and then it will not seat properly the next time you use it. I had the mouthpiece on and I couldn't feel anything. I thought maybe I would feel some kind of like a low pulse, like what the directions said, but I guess Ionic technology is not something you can feel. It's something that happens and we're not aware of it. I would definitely recommend this product for someone who's looking to improve their smile without spending a lot of money. Because I was able to break up the tubes of gel and not use a full gel per one side, So basically I can get 20 days of use out of this instead of just the 10. And I was very conservative with it, using a half a vial per each side. And I would definitely recommend that. That was a lot of gel in there and it felt like a big mouthful coming out. I'm happy with how my teeth look. I find this very convenient. I have a similar system called the Glow, which actually had a lanyard that came off and it was attached. I like this option better because it's nothing that's tethered to you, so it can't get stuck on anything. But yeah, it was a really great option, and I highly recommend this product. I'm Refresh Smile EM Amy, and thank you for watching. Check out all our videos for EMA Dental on our YouTube channel.